From there, the rain has caused a flood of trouble for a mobile home community in Davie. The streets in that neighborhood, they look more like canals full of fish. Local 10's Todd Tongan joins us live from Davie, where the next storm has already arrived. Todd.
Lori, this is the last thing the people living in this mobile home park want to see, and that's more heavy rainfall. It began about 30 minutes ago. The water had actually started to recede. It was a lot higher on my boots earlier today, but now many are nervous about this incoming new rainfall.
It's bad. Like, my AC is just about flooded. I can't even turn it on. If it turns it on, it's going to short circuit it. The electrical breakers are all getting short circuited. It's bad out here.
The residents of Western Hills Mobile Home Park are far from drying out this evening. The Davie neighborhood was inundated with rainfall, and as you can see from this Drone 10 video in HD, a nearby canal overflowed its banks and turned the park's roads into rivers.
Smashing against the inside of the house and broke in.
This man woke up at 5:30 this morning to standing water inside his home.
And we've got a lot of the water out, but we had about 5 inches of rain come in here and then seep into our room here and into this room here.
About 50 homes in this development are without power, but the Red Cross is assisting many more in other Davie communities.
We have 4 to 5 different mobile home parks that we are canvassing. Our volunteers are going through those areas, speaking to the residents, identifying their needs.
Many folks stayed home from work and didn't venture out. Others got around the best they could.
It's pretty bad. The water's in my patio. It's really deep. My car is flooded.
Folks here are hoping the rain will ease up, but for these guys, it appears to just roll off their back. And about the only good news here is that the Red Cross has set up a staging area here to deal with residents and their issues, and it appears with this another round of rainfall that's coming down, there could be quite a few. In Davie, Todd Tongan, Local 10 News.